你是邪恶银渐层吗？
Do you have any idea what you've done? It was $20.
Sweetie. Yeah, I love you. Okay.
Bagel, no! Bagel! Wait.
Yes.
No, it's meow mix. Try again.
Seriously, this cat's a little stupid.
Beat that.
Beat that?
Shimmy.
Она где учит.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Don't do that.
That?
This is Howl, and we're going to test to see if we can survive a quiet place.
Squish. Otherwise, you're just gonna have enough height.
2 times.
No.
Misty!
pretty stupid. They don't know how to catch it in the car, and the person that goes that does it for them.
Why wouldn't you lift your face above?
I did not name you Birdie so you would fly.
He smells it.
Why are you being such a beast?
Why?
Alright, bro. My boy.
Hello, Phoenix.
Space. I get that you It's my little baby. We're besties.
Excuse me?
Hey, girl.
Wait.
Spread. A big nice test.
Gotta get you clean.
You want attention, but you're just gonna hiss at me. Okay.
Wow. Wow. This is just wow.
Stop. I'm literally just trying.
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay.
He's like growling, but
My Cheetos! What are you doing? And now,
Sana güzel bir mama alacağım Minoş.
She's happy for me. She's happy for me.
please. Oh my god. Hey.
Great. Big old eyes.
Are you part dog?
I just think she's scared.
she does not get along with other cats.
Do you have any idea what you've done? It was $20.
From the basement? What are you doing?
Oh my god!
No, you're not supposed to leave.